Let's see the first question.
Dear Happy Princess, my wife thinks I need to get a job to support our family. My wife doesn't work and we have 3 kids. Should I get a job?
No! Next question.
Dear Happy Princess, I hope this isn't an odd question, but is it okay to stand on a turtle? From Randy.
Hi, Randy. I'd say it's okay. Just don't stand on it too long. One day when I was in Egypt, I stood on a turtle. A few days later, I wound up in Iowa, and I hate Iowa! And that was a good lesson. Never stand on a turtle for too long.
Dear Happy Princess, I'm so nervous right now. A few minutes ago I backed into my dad's brand new truck and really messed up the bumper. He's going to notice it for sure, and I'm going to be in so much trouble. What am I going to do? Sorry about that. From Mark.
Hi, Mark. Relax. This is gonna take a little effort, but if you act quick, you'll be off the hook. Find a cliff with at least a 300-foot drop. Then park your dad's car by it. Get out of the truck and then push it the rest of the way up the edge. When your dad comes back to the truck, he's gonna wonder where the hell it is. But then, you just tell him you saw somebody steal it! From there, you'll just have to go through the motions of phony police reports. But then you're off the hook. He'll never know that you backed into his truck.